Just picked up an iPhone 13 or 13 mini? Well, stick around as we have some amazing cases available right now to protect your shiny new phone. In this video, we are going to look at 5 cases available for both the iPhone 13 and 13 mini. We will take a look at the official silicone case from Apple, Elixir's stand case, Ted Baker's Folio Glitzy with flip mirror, the Zizo Bolt, and lastly, Ghost Tech Convert. We will talk through what we like and dislike about each of them so you can make a more informed decision on your purchase. All cases are available from our store, mobilefun.co.uk, right now. Let's kick things off with the official silicone case. This is in the marigold colour, which we think looks amazing. It's bright and, unlike some silicone cases, quite smooth to the touch. The inside of the case is lined with a soft microfiber material to further protect your device. The buttons on this case are moulded rubber, which means they are not as nice feeling as the leather cases Apple make, which have dedicated buttons and feel clickier in comparison to the silicone case. This case also has a bump on the camera section, which is great for adding protection. But for me, I always prefer having the phone lay flat on the table so I can scroll or type without the phone rocking around. Next, let's have a look at the Elixir case. This one is in green, which I think will look incredible on the starlight coloured iPhone 13. The case back is made from plastic, which is frosted transparent, so you can still see the Apple logo through the back, which is a nice touch. The edges of the case are tough but flexible rubber, so the phone feels well protected. The buttons have a couple of slits each side, which allow easier pressing and don't feel restrictive in any way. Moving to the back of the case, you can see the camera section does have a lip around it like the Apple case. However, this has a trick up its sleeve. As the bump is on a hinge, it doubles as a stand for the iPhone, perfect for binge watching more mobile fun videos. Something a little different is this Ted Baker Glitzy case, which features a mirror on the flip cover. The case itself is of high quality and fits perfectly to the phone. The buttons are cut out from the case so they are as clicky as the naked phone. Something which is nice is there is no lip around the bottom of the phone. This means that swiping up to unlock the phone or go home is a nice smooth swipe up. The case does seem to have magnets on the mirror section. However, they do hold the case open, which is a nice touch. Overall though, the case adds good protection and has a nice look to it, which is ultimately why you would want this case. Moving on to the Zizo Bolt, this is a bit of a do-it-all case. The case is large, which does add bulk to the phone, but I feel like you could drop it many times and the phone would be undamaged. Moving to the back of the case, it features a kickstand, so you can easily catch up on Netflix without having to hold your phone in place. Because of the thickness of the case, MagSafe does not work through it. So if you already bought into the ecosystem of accessories, this is one to skip. The case comes with a glass screen protector, which is a nice touch and clearly shows Zizo is looking to protect your phone completely. The case also comes with this clip-on section, which can be used as a stand or belt clip. This section can also store a single card, which could be good for IDs. The case clips well to this section, with the screen facing inward. However, in our testing it does not really grip well the other way around, so it's something to keep in mind. Lastly, the Ghost Tech Covert. First off, I will say I really like the look of this case. It feels very well made and fits the phone in nicely and gives you that confidence you can drop your phone without issue. Like the Elixir, the buttons have little slits next to them, which means pressing them in is much easier and you'll still get a satisfying click. As this case is MagSafe compatible, it means that it creates a strong connection between the case, phone, and accessories like wallets or chargers. In fact, the only thing I personally don't like about this case is that it has rounded sides rather than the flat design of the iPhone itself, but that's me really looking for something. To conclude then, if you're looking for a stylish case which adds a bit of colour to your phone, then the official Apple Silicon, Elixir and Ted Baker would be the best choice. For ultimate protection, the Zizo is the way to go. And finally, if you're looking for a clear case which adds some fantastic protection for your phone, the Ghost Tech is for you. I hope this helps you decide which case you want for your iPhone 13 or 13 mini. Finally, to buy any of the cases you've seen, please head over to mobilefun.co.uk.